Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn math. Okay? Now look at the screen. How many tens are there? How many tens? Only one. One group only there. So, 1 tens. Okay? Now see in ones place. 1. 10 ones and 1 1. Okay? So, what is the number? 11. 1 1 11. Now see here, children. In ones place, 2 are there. But in tens place, 1 tens. So, 1 and 2. 12. Now look at the ones place. Ones place le எத்தனை balls வரப்போகுது? 3. But in tens place, how many group are there? 1. So, 1 tens and 3 ones. 1, 3, 13. Now see here. How many ones? 4. In tens, only 1 tens, isn't it? So, 1 tens and 4 ones. 1 4, 14. Now in ones place, how many are there? Count and check. 5. In tens place, 1. So, 1, 5, 15. Now see here, children. Ones place, how many are there? 6. In tens place, how many groups are there? Only 1. So, 1, 6, 16. Now, how many ones are there? 7. Tens place, how many tens? Only 1. So, 1, 7, 17. Now see here, how many ones? 8. In tens place, how many tens? 1. So, 1 tens and 8 ones. 1, 8, 18. Now, how many ones are there? 9. Isn't it? 9 ones are there. But in tens place, any changes are there? No. Only 1 tens are there. Isn't it? So, tens place 1 and in ones place 9. 1, 9, 19. Okay. Now look at the screen. Again one more 1 ball is there. Okay. Now children, we already learned in one's room, in one's house, how many rooms are there? Only 9. So the 10th one is not have a place. So what we have to do? இவங்களெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிரணும்? ஒரு group ஆக்கிரணும். சரியா? இப்ப 10th ball வந்தங்காட்டி ones placeல நமக்கு rooms கிடையாது. அதனால இந்த 1 ball தனியா இருக்கறனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிரோம்? இந்த 9 பால்ஸையும் இந்த 1 பால்குள்ள சேர்த்து ஒரு குரூப் ஆக்கிடும். அப்போ அது ஒரு டென்ஸ் குரூப்பா மாறுது. ஓகேவா? Now see, tens குரூப்பா மாறியாச்சு. So in tens place, how many tens are there? Count and see. 1, 2. So 2 tens are there. How many tens? 2 tens. That means 20. 20, 20. Okay? Two, 20. Now children, in tens place, how many groups are there? How many tens groups are there? 1, 2. In ones place, 1. So 20 and 1. 2, 1. 21. 2, 1. 21. Now in tens place, let us watch how many are there. 1, 2. Okay. In tens place, 2 tens are there. In ones place, 1, 2. So 2 tens and 2 ones is 2 to 22. Okay? 2 to 22. Now, see here. In tens place, how many tens are there? 2 tens. In ones place, 1, 2, 3. So, 2 tens and 3 ones. 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. Now look at the screen. In tens place, how many tens are there? 2. In ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, 2 tens and 4 ones. 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. Now in tens place, 2 tens. And in ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 tens and 5 ones. 2, 5, 25. Okay, children? 2, 5, 25. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.